Okay, this is an example of how you can do your video. Okay. Entonces, aquí es donde empezamos. Introduction. Hello, my name is Irene Sanchez. I am a teacher. My project today is about my family. This is my slide of my daughter. My daughter is Rosalia. She loves her cat Lilu. This is my slide of my grandkids. My grandkids are Nahia, Maciel, Sebastian, Lali, and Sol. I love to spend time with them and love them very much. This is my bio slide. It has information about me. I am from Calexico and I like to read and garden. This is my family. My family is made of 4 children and 2 adults. My family thinks patience and love are important. We believe everyone can think and believe what is important to them. I love my family. With this project, I had to make a PowerPoint and write about my family. Tuve que escribir oraciones con la estructura de inglés y utilizar mi vocabulario. One exciting thing this semester was que jugábamos Kahoots con los estudiantes que estaban en casa y con los estudiantes que estaban aquí en la escuela. One worry for me this semester was, una preocupación muy grande fue cómo hacer mi trabajo a tiempo y poder entregarlo para ganar puntos. Gracias. Thank you for listening to my presentation.